aina petanu kesia pote geutu Keda yere ejaido kwana teso koleja loete ailipakini due kech kanua soma inito na senior na iwongonet nepeka senior na kaintape Father Gonzaga waziwazi yongereny kotoma oitabolo kama tayo isulaikany ikokorone ito munauni abuis sinyiko Esisiak Ajaut Keda Apeleikineta no Aijar kech kotoma shoman.
This means that your life must have set goals. A life without set goals, you achieve is not worth living. You must live a purpose-driven life. And what are those goals that you want to achieve in life? Especially out at Esokole. In senior 3, you still don't know what you want to be in the future. You are a formidable fool. Every step you take, you must calculate. If your life is without value, you are more of a liability than an asset. Rather be a hungry slave with intelligence than be a satisfied pig. Examine the quality of your thoughts and value of your deeds.
Ainito na senior na iwongonete nesie geune rasa top na kanyape olapo soko male buniti kosodi na senior na kaintape erasia tomono olapalo tomontadio Esisiak kesia balasebe ekapakina kesi noi kanwa inito kana na ebuniti ngin
kapakina sasa mango kulailu pesa show me costa boy actually tamasa dia sine kosa sale prep kwenye na iso san like at 3 o'clock alo start to go to show makai
comes to the worst, the last person should have 11 points. I made it in from the chief guest. It will come to pass.
Auria kiche lueshometi due keche teso koleja loete kesie pudasi Esisiak amona swami sine inu meda kinete edauta ngito kech
akoto tiengo noebe edo tukesore opotu otupata no enerasa muri auria itutu no alimono kinikeso somero kada olostosi mama jala kine kanisa ara kelesia.
They should at least get to maybe computer studies, reading books. Maybe they can get inspired and write their own books. And those that are good at hands-on should come out there and do some things like maybe cookies, some chapatis, some mandazis.
Kwenye minister lo chichilo irotin Musa Francis Echweru lo seka shomiti teso koleja loete ngesi abu isinyiko Esisiak amuno kinanoi kotoma shoman.
Never be satisfied with what you know. Always seek for more knowledge, so that you are in control of the people under you. Honorable Minister, we have revived MDD Club. COVID almost killed it, but we have revived it.
Kanuka TV East, Alfred Atwau Kobuga Soroti.